The Capital Market Day is always an exciting event to both look back what we already achieved and also to look forward what we want to achieve the next 5 years. Our vision is clear. We want to be the #1 for our customers in enhancing efficiency and sustainability.
At our Capital Markets Day 2025, we present an updated strategy and new midterm targets. We will be delivering 8 to 10% revenue growth per annum over the next 5 years. We will reach an EBITDA margin of 8 to 9% in the same time frame, and we will increase our cash conversion rate to 90%.
Our people are at the heart of what we do. We deliver value at our customers day in, day out. We are committed to continue to invest at least 0.5% of our revenue annually into our learning and development activities. By doing that, we will be future ready. We will continue to grow as individuals and together as Bilfinger.
I think a good combination on the one hand between achievability and on the other hand ambitiousness.
By delivering consulting and engineering, prefab and installation, access and insulation, as well as asset performance, we want to be the #1 for our customers.
We made significant progress, and I think today, with all the presentations and the exhibits, we proved that we are on the right track to achieve these goals.
Today we had a really interesting Capital Markets Day with Bilfinger. There will be a lot of future potential for the company. Bilfinger is one of the companies which can really help their customers in improving efficiency and saving emissions with that.
A big thank you for everyone contributing to this event. Together we are creating a lasting value for our customers, for our shareholders, and of course for our colleagues. Thank you.